Welcome to day 1 of Colin and Coco's Maths Workout 1.1. In this workout, we're thinking particularly about addition. So on day 1, we're going to be looking at workout A and workout D. So workout A, that's just this top bit here. So this is just about can you do it? So you've got some single digit numbers here to add and you just write the answers in the boxes. So you might know some known facts that you might be able to use. Some of these you'll look at and just know. Others of them you might put your number in your head and count on. Others you might want to get some items to help you. So you might want to do some actual counting. You might want to think about your part-whole model that maybe you've used at school. So that idea that if I've got two groups and I'm combining them to make a total, I've got this sort of model. Okay? So the idea is just to complete these as quickly as you can, really. So go away and have a go. And then when you come back, we'll have a look at some answers and then we'll have a look at a game. Off you go. So here's the answers to workout A. All right, so have a look at yours, check yours against mine, press pause maybe and zoom in so you can see them and check your answers to see if they're the same. If you've got any that are different, just have a little look and think about what went wrong, maybe get some items and do some counting. Okay, so once you've marked what you've done, come back and we'll learn to play a game. So the game we're going to play needs two sets of cards. Okay, it's this game here, pairs game, workout D. So it tells us we need two sets of 1 to 9 cards. So we could use ordinary playing cards like these if you wanted. Yeah, just get a set of playing cards, use the ace to stand for 1. Or at the back of the pack, there are some cards numbered 1 to 9 that you could use. I've got some here that I've made before, so I'm just getting my buttons out of the way. And let's have a go at this game. Two sets of 1 to 9 cards, shuffled, so they're all mixed up. Spread them out face down on the table. The idea with this game is that you're going to be looking for pairs of numbers that make a total of 10. Okay, so we're going to take it in turns. First player picks a card. I've picked an 8. I've got to say aloud now, how many more do I need to make 10? So if I've got 8, 9, 10, I need 2 more. So I'm looking for a 2. Look at that, that was lucky, wasn't it? So 8 and 2 makes 10. So I get those two as a pair and I keep them. Now it's my partner's turn. They can turn over any card. There they are, they've turned over a 1. They need to say aloud, I've got 1, so I need to find a 9 because 1 add 9 makes 10. So they're going to turn over a card. That obviously isn't a pair. So those go back where they came from. They just stay in the same place. You need to try and remember that was a 4, that was a 1, because you might need those in a minute. Now it's my go again. I'm going to have this one here. 8. I know that 8 and 2 makes 10, so I'm looking for a 2. So I haven't seen a 2 anywhere yet, so it's just going to be luck. Try this one. Oh, that's a 9, so that's not a pair. Face down. So my partner's turn. So play just continues back and forth like that until one player gets 5 pairs. As soon as a player's got 5 pairs, they're the winner. And obviously you can challenge and play again, can't you? Okay, and you could play this game at any point during the week. See you tomorrow.